how to check-in and check-out times on your Booking.com property. You want to go to Booking.com and then click on List Your Property, which is going to take us to the host portal. From here, once you are signed into your account, you will click on your name in the top right and then go into View My Properties. So depending on the status of your property, it's either going to be in registration process or in the active properties field. You will just click on the property itself here. I'm just going to click on Continue Registration. And then from the property setup page, you will need to scroll down and go to the fourth section of this page. So it's going to be 3 and this is going to be 4 or 5, sorry. And you will see the check-in time and the checkout time here. So you can set it from 2 p.m. for example until 11 p.m. and the checkout can be from 8 a.m. until 12 p.m. After you set the rates here or the check-in and checkout time, you click on Continue, go through the rest of the registration, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.